Good morning to everybody watching this video. Now, in earlier topic, we have discussed about the process of cell and the structure of cell. In this topic, you are going to study the life process, and this can be divided into. If we are going to study this portion can be divided into two parts: plants and animal. In plants, we have to cover 4 topics, and in animals, we have to cover 4 topics. First of all, nutrition. In every living organism, the first and foremost important thing is nutrition, and this in plants the nutrition is done through the autotrophic method, and this autotrophic method is due to presence of chlorophyll. In animals, no such method of process of photosynthesis is there, and it takes place with the help of heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In respiration, the second most thing is respiration. Nutrition we have got, and with nutrition we have got the glucose as end product in both nutrition. If we talk about animals and plants, they store glucose, fructose, sucrose in the cell, and in the next step, that is respiration, the process of breakdown of that glucose to form to convert it into energy, and this energy in the form of ATP, which is stored in the cells. Now respiration takes place in the animals and plants, and in plants respiration takes place with the process of with the material or with the cell organelle that is known as stomata, which is present, which is required for respiration, whereas in animals it requires gills or lungs for respiration, except some other organisms which require a skin or the moist skin is there, which is responsible for respiration. Next is circulation. In plants we have xylem and phloem, which is responsible for movement or circulation, but in animals the body fluid, which is called connective tissue, which is called blood, which is responsible for circulation in animals. The last topic, that is excretion. In plants we have lenticels, we have bark for the excretion, but in animals we have well structured organization, that is excretory system, and you are going to study in this the kidney, nephrons, the organization of the kidneys and the nephrons. With this we will cover the process of life process, and we have 4 topics in it, and we have 4 topics in it. First we will cover this plant section, and the next in this we will deal with the animal section. With this I am ending this topic. Please like, share and subscribe. Whoever so is interested, or whoever so is interested in this topic, please share among your friends, and happy Raksha Bandhan to one and all. Thank you.